isang mabangis na undefeated ng Amerika, ang kinasahan ng Pinoy. Ito ay ang binansagang Too Sharp ng Columbus, Ohio, USA na si Mark Davis laban sa ating pambato na tubong gubat sursugon na si Michael Farenas. Kilala din ito mga boss sa bansag na Hammer Fist dahil sa mga kamao nitong kayang wumasak ng mukha ng kalaban. Matapos pulbusin ng Pinoy ang nooy nakaharap ni Pacquiao na si Hector Velasquez dito sa ating sariling baluarte at nasungkit ng Pinoy ang WBC Asian Continental Super Featherweight title. Agad lumipad ang kanilang team sa Amerika para mamigay ng free taste na kamao. Makakaharap niya dito mga boss ang walang awa na Amerikanong si Mark Davis. Halimaw talaga ito kung bumayo. Talagang walang pasensya. Pero laking gulat ng buong mundo noong nakaharap nito ang Pinoy. Kitang-kita nila kung paano nilaro-laro ng Pinoy ang kanilang future world boxing champion. Ang Pinoy mga boss na si Michael Farenas ay may kartadang 38 panalo, may 4 na talo, may 4 na tabla at 31 dito ay tinapos via knockout. Samantala ang Amerikano naman mga boss ay may kartadang 18 panalo at walang bahid ng talo. Huwag na natin patagalin ito mga boss, bakbakan agad.
To his left, he'll be moving away, get ready for a fight that they would have hands. Well, I should say Southpaw has already opened an abrasion. It looks like the right eye of Mark Davis as he was serving. Davis is going to be tested tonight. He's a guy who has more than twice as many fights, a guy who has, and he's using the left hand. He is scoring really well here. Start using that jab to keep some separation. Farenas gonna have his way.
See the grease over the right.
It was a punch.
Cut above the right eye. See how flush it was.
Have to throw in some legs there. David.
There are the power punches according to Falcon.
Where he was moving right into that left hand.
That time straight back against the ropes, and the hard-charging Filipino comes in with that left hand free as they wrestle their way into the corner, and now he's just making a fight out of it.
Look at this jab, and he's allowing Farenas to come in that front door, so he figures now, Davis, you know what? One of Davis, I should say, Manuel Diablo, as you just said, coming in, but he does that enough. Comes in with that big left hand that probably just won the round for him.
Against
before that's Farenas. And there's another one.
and another left hand.
And another standing right in front of him, not moving off to his left away from the power.
And now Davis sits in there. There's a combination that finished with a left hand. Davis came back with a right hand in the middle.
Bago tayo magpatuloy mga idol, meron lang akong gustong i-share sa inyo isang makabagong pamamaraan para kumita ng mabilis at makaipon. Hayaan mong ang pera mo ang magtatrabaho para sa iyo. Ito ang investment trading. Narito ang pocket broker na nakakatulong sa akin para hindi na ako pumasok sa 9 to 5 na trabaho at makipagsiksikan sa biyahe araw-araw. At ang malupit pa dito ay mabilis lang itong matututunan. Ito ay may 3 simple steps para kumita ng $100 or 5,000 pesos. Una, pindutin ang link na nakapin sa comment section para ma-download ang application. Ilagay lamang ang Gmail, Google o di kaya ang iyong Facebook account. Ang nilagay ko dito ay ang aking Gmail. Pangalawa, gamitin ang promo code na JUSDO100 para makakuha ng bonus sa unang pag-register. Pagkatapos mong mag-register ay makikita mo na ang Pocket Broker dashboard at base sa nakikita ko ngayon ay kulay pula ang trend ngayon at sa tingin ko ay magtutuloy-tuloy pa ito pababa. Kaya naman pindutin natin itong lower at antayin ang magiging resulta. At na ngayon mga boss, easy $115 agad at low risk lang. Punta naman tayo sa withdrawal mga idol. Madali lang ito dahil meron tayong GCash e-wallets at bank transfer at maging cryptocurrency. 0% lang ang withdrawal rate kaya buo mong makukuha ang inyong profit. At kung may iba pa kayong concern ay napakadali lang nilang kontakin dahil meron silang 24/7 na customer service sa Pocket Broker. May access ka sa mahigit 130 assets tulad ng currency pairs, indices, stocks at cryptocurrency. Pwede kang kumita ng 92% yields anytime Kaya wag na mag-aksaya pa ng panahon, sama-sama tayong kumita gamit ang pinaka-the best na platform sa trading, ang Pocket Broker. Huwag kalimutang gamitin ang promo code na JOSDO100 para makuha ang inyong bonus. Tara at sabay-sabay tayong kumita sa Pocket Broker.
It's a very entertaining third round between these two.
Magaline
Against the undefeated 18-0 Mark Davis, title eliminator, and now he's charging into that corner against him as he lands.
guys by this avalanche of left hand. They should have known that's what Farina brings, and in spots that's what Davis could bring.
Right back to action. Highly entertaining stuff early on here in the main event.
And Farina's mixing up those left hands nice. Downstairs, upstairs.
Fire back, didn't land anything on the inside. Now short right hand on the inside.
Then every once in a while, Davis throws. Here it is. Full house beats three of a kind. That movement with some punches, he doesn't do it, he just lays near the rope. Means nothing, those quick punches. Bend it too low, and when you bend that low to get away, you give your opponent, in this case Farina's, a chance to catch you as you come up.
On the attack, right to the bell.
His son can do anything. There's a big left hand by Farina's. Again, a big shot from Farina's. Now, I also saw that Davis was bending way too low. There's the left hand. Look how low he's going. You go that low, you got to come up. And when you come up,
For Mark Davis, IBF title eliminated.
he stayed in those trenches.
Oh, he ate a big one upstairs. Smoker had to break him.
Again, it's the power on the inside. I mean, I don't care if Davis goes 6. And there it is again,
Left
the
hand
power.
again. As Davis takes a step.
Davis shows that right hand. He shows three of a kind. Full house. Gonna have
Like
to
that.
go a lot more to catch up. And now he's way behind with these power shots again. And he's bending too low. And when you bend that low to get away, you give your opponent, in this case Farina's, a chance to catch you as you come up.
Michael Farinas in control, right to the bell. Anything here to survive Farinas.
This will be his last round. That Moga gave me a signal just before.
From Farinas here in round 7. Now here he tries to bring it in, but it was just a glancing blow.
That he needed to survive, not win. It's about yesterday.
Get off his neck,
So
Marky.
far tonight, 18 yesterday to the ocean. Farina's Joe has been in a close, tough fight. Draws and 5 split or majority fire tested, ready for battle.
Oh, he backs him up into the corner and comes chasing him down. And Steve Smoker wants no more damage to Davis.
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video ngayon mga boss. Kaya kung ngayon ka palang napadpad sa ating munting channel, mas maganda kung nakasubscribe ka na para lagi kang ma-notify sa ating mga bagong uploads. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Mabuhay, ingat po, and God bless.
There it is again,
Left
the
hand
power.
again. As Davis takes a step.
Davis shows that right hand. He shows three of a kind. Full house. Gonna have to go a lot more to catch up, and now he's way behind with these power shots again, and he's bending too low. And when you bend that low to get